There are many power inverter products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best power inverters from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. 1000W car power inverters. Rating 4.3. Cooling fan, smart digital display, and mini slit fuse to protect against overvoltage, low voltage, overload, short circuit, overheat. Applies the technology of ABS crashworthiness, robustness, and good electrical insulation. Auto inverter. The investor can be directly connected to a vehicle lighter or 12V battery for emergency or solar inverter, hurricane, storm, snowstorm, outage, cell phone, laptops, electric lights, digital cameras, breast pumps, electrical tools, and other electronics. Our power inverter has C and FCC ROSH certification. We provide 24-hour customer service and customer satisfaction. Please use in a well-ventilated, dry area. MaxFit emergency current converter power inverter is the most ideal gift for Christmas, Mother's Day, Father's Day, New Year's Day, and Thanksgiving Day. Number 4. Ames AC Power Inverter. Rating 4.3. 180W max continuous power, 360W surge clean pure sine power, soft start technology, compact design, lightweight. Protections: overload, overtemp, high voltage, low voltage, short circuit, internally fused, low and high voltage alarm, cooling fan, and isolated ground neutral. Features: works with small electronics, and much more. Includes USB port, cables, and LED indicators. Trust Ames. Buy with confidence. In the inverter business for over 20 years. All tech support, warranty, and sales are supported in Nevada. Applications: ideal for powering computers, cell phones, cameras, and small devices. Use high-quality copper cables in your system. Number 3. Reno G-Wave Inverter. Rating 4.4. This power inverter 12V to 110V provides 700W continuous DC to AC power, 1400W peak surge during load startup, 12V to 120V AC pure sine wave, with conversion efficiency 90%, reduces conversion loss. LED indicators for undervoltage and overvoltage protection, over temperature protection, overload protection, and short circuit indication. Cooling fans and ground fault circuit interrupter, GFCI, protection. Advanced pure sine wave technology, provides quality AC equivalent to grid power, which will protect and extend the life of your electronics and appliances, such as floodlight, TV, freezer, laptop, tablet, etc. Number 2. Bestek Wave Inverter. Rating 4.5. Bestek 300W pure sine inverters designed for your devices that require careful protection, provide 300W continuous DC to AC power and 700W of peak power, featuring 2 AC outlets and 2 USB charging ports. Great for Christmas gifts, charging string lights, laptops, speakers, camera, nebulizer, game console, Kindle, iPad and other. Equipped with 2 smart USB charging ports, which detect your devices automatically to deliver its fastest charge. Speed up to 2.4 amps per port, 4.8 amps max, and you can charge most phones and tablets simultaneously. Unique vents and smart fan design make our 300W power inverter easier to dissipate heat, and the cigarette lighter plug is easy to plug into a cigarette lighter socket. Number 1. 2000-watt wave power inverter. Rating 4.6. Topple 2000W power inverter 12V DC to 110V AC. Can really run continuously for a long time under 2000W output power, and up to 4000W peak surge power when the load starts. Advanced pure sine wave technology provides high-quality AC power, equivalent to grid power, making the equipment run very smoothly, and protecting your electrical equipment. No load energy consumption is very low, very energy saving. This sine wave inverter has 7 major protection functions including overload, overvoltage, undervoltage, high temperature, short circuit, leakage and reverse polarity. The sturdy aircraft aluminum housing provides drop and crash protection, and the advanced dual intelligent cooling fans greatly reduce the machine temperature, do not get hot, low noise, and improve the life of the machine. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.